Hello students, I am Sayyada Khan here and today I am going to teach you chapter number 2 Inside and Outside part 1. Students, before I begin with the lesson, I would like you to explain the concept of inside and outside. Students, please look at this picture closely. You can see a circle. Students, can you see a circle? And what is inside the circle? There is a bed, there is a table, there is a lamp, and there is a fan. I repeat, there is a bed, a table, a lamp, and a fan inside the circle. And students, can you see some things outside the circle? Can you name these things, students? Well done. We can see a rainbow, an owl, a bus, an engine, a tree, an elephant, and a log of wood. So students, these are the things which we can see outside the circle. So students, I would like to tell you that there are some things which we can see inside the circle and there are some things which we can see outside the circle. Students, can you name some things inside your house? Please look inside your room and name the things inside your house. Very good, students. Inside your house, you can see your sofa cum bed. You can see your television. You can see your books. You can see your bed. You can see your toys. You can see so many things inside your house. And students, now please look outside your house. Can you look outside the window? What can you see outside your house? You can see trees. You can see flowers. You can see butterflies. You can see the sun. You can see the clouds. You can see so many animals outside their house. So students, I hope you have understood the concept of inside and outside. Now, let's move on to the lesson inside and outside. Students, let us start reading the lesson. What do Mia and her mother see in the house? Can you see in the picture? There is a girl named Mia and her mother. Now, Mia is asking her mother, what are these? Mother is replying, they are ants. They are looking for food. What is mother replying? Mother is replying, they are ants. They are looking for food. And students, can you see these ants? Yes, they are moving in a disciplined manner. They all are moving in a line. So students, the ants are inside the house. Where are the ants? They are inside the house. Now students, let's move on to the next page, page number 23. What do Karan and his father see in the garden? Now can you see students Karan and his father? They are outside the house. Where are they? They are outside the house. What is Karan asking his father? He is asking his father, what are these? And what is father saying? They are bees. They are making honey. The bees are outside the house. Students, can you see a beehive? Yes, a beehive is known as the home of bees. This is a beehive. And bees make honey. And what is the taste of honey, students? The taste of honey is sweet. The taste of honey is sweet. So students, I hope you have understood the concept of inside and outside. In the previous page, the ants were inside the house. And what were they doing? They were looking for food. And in the next picture, the bees are outside the house. They are in the garden and they are making honey. So students, with this we come to the explanation of inside and outside. Now let's move on to circle the right words. Now we are going to circle the right answer. The first question is, Mia and her mother are in the... Where is Mia and her mother? Where are they, students? Are they in the house or are they in the garden? Very good, students. Mia and her mother are in the house. Please circle the word house. The second sentence is, Karan and his father are inside the house or outside the house. Students, can you answer this question? Where are Karan and his father? They are outside the house. They are in the garden. So please circle the word outside. Now let's move on to the next question. Tick the right answer. The first one is, Mia's mother says the ants are in the house because... Can you guess the answer, students? Why are they in the house? Is it raining outside or are they looking for food? The correct answer is, they are looking for food. Please put a tick in the box. They are looking for food. Question number 2. Let's move on to question number B. Karan's father says the bees are... What are they doing, students? Are the bees making honey or are they making a lot of noise? Can you guess the answer, students? What are the bees doing? They are making honey. They are not making a noise like you. They are making honey. So students, here we come to the end of this question. Now let's move on to let's read between the lines. Let us see the answers. The first question is, does Karan like bees? And how do you know? Students, does Karan like bees? Yes, Karan likes bees. And how do you know, students? We know this because he's asking his father about them. He's asking his father, what are these? So what does his father reply? His father replies, they are bees and they are making honey. So by this line we come to know that Karan likes bees. The second question is, bees make honey. Is honey sweet or salty? Honey is sweet. Honey is sweet. So students, with this I complete page number 22 and page number 23. Let us read the lesson once again, students. Lesson number 2, inside and outside. What do Mia and her mother see inside the house? Mia is asking her mother, what are these? And what is mother replying? She replies, they are ants and they are looking for food. Can you see the ants in the picture, students? They all are moving in a line in a disciplined manner. Then let us move to the next page. What do Karan and his father see in the garden? What is Karan asking his father? What are these? And what is father replying? Father is replying, they are bees and they are making honey. What do bees make? They make honey. And students, what is the taste of honey? How does honey taste? Honey is sweet. So students, with this I come to the end of page number 23. And now I stop here. So now students, in the next video, when I come again, I will start with page number 24. So be ready with your reader in the next video and with your pencil and your eraser. When I come back again, we will do lesson number 2, inside and outside, part 2, and we will begin from page number 24. So students, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Please try to read this lesson on your own. Thank you for now. Goodbye.